Do you have carpet tiles that you need to install in your basement, office, store, or rental? Well, I got great news. My name is Eric Vogel and I'm the owner of Carpet Tile Tape. And this is a heavy-duty double-sided tape that works on any backing of carpet tiles. It's easy to install, more cost-effective than pressure-sensitive adhesive, which is sticky and messy. And you can use this on rubber and vinyl as well. So during this series, it's called Will It Stick? I'm going to be showing you on the wall here. I'm going to put the double-sided tape on the wall, and then I'm going to use random items that weigh different amounts, and you're going to go ahead and comment below if you feel that it will stick or not. So go ahead and hit the follow button and like this video so you can follow along as we put out a new video every week. All right, we'll talk to you soon.